Hello everyone, so as you can see, I'm showing you one of my begonia that I have been propagated from a single leaf. If you are interested, you can see the result and you can watch the whole process in one of my previous video, and of course I will leave a link in the description box below so you can check. So as you can see, I'm showing you right now one of my begonia, and as you can see, it has been growing so big, and it's growing in this rather small pot. So today I want to transplant this beautiful plant into a bigger pot. So as you can see here, there are a lot of roots. So it's a high time to transplant this adorable type of begonia. It's Begonia Rex. And here I'm showing you my coffee plants. Bay plant. One more coffee plant. And my anthurium plants. This baby is growing so good. And this yellow one, anthurium vanilla. So let's come back to my begonia and let's transplant it to a bigger pot. So here I have my begonia plant. One more time I want to show it to you. It's so beautiful. The plant is rather big. The leaves are of a dark green color. So I love this type of begonia so much. And I've already prepared a pot for it. Filled up with the potting mix. As you can see, this pot is way more bigger. And I just will try to pull my begonia out of its pot. Oh my god! Can you see it? It's so small amount of soil and such a big bush. So I just put it like here. And of course I will add some additional soil to the different part of this pot. And also I want to show you, I have this cutting of a Philodendron Birkin. My friend gave me this cutting. As I can see, it's not good, it's not in a good condition, and also these roots are dark green like air. And I have also to plant this cutting of Philodendron. Gosh, can you see it? It's like, it's not good actually, but okay, nevertheless I will try. I will plant it and I will try to grow it, to propagate. So yeah, for today my repotting is this beautiful begonia plant and a Philodendron Birkin. Hello everyone! Today I'm showing you my begonia that have been grown from a leaf. Just take a look at this beautiful, adorable bush. And of course at this adorable dark green leaves. They're even shiny. Very beautiful. Also, as you can see, my begonia starts to produce some flowers. And of course there is a lot of new growth all over the bush. And this is how my bush is looking for today. And of course I want to multiply this adorable begonia. I want to have much more of it and to put it everywhere in my home, in almost every corner of my home. So today I decided to propagate one more time this beautiful begonia from a single leaf. Like this. So what I'm going to do with it? I just take a scissors and cut a leaf. Here. Like this. Also for propagation begonia from a leaf, try to take the biggest, the healthiest, the more beautiful looking leaf for propagation. It will give you high results in propagation. For example, this leaf is not good for propagation, and of course this leaf may not also be good for propagation. So the next step is, so your leaf is looking like this, and the next step is, I don't want to propagate it from the whole leaf. I want to cut this leaf as I have shown you before in one of my previous video. I will leave a link on that video how you can grow begonia from part of a leaf. So turn around your leaf. And here you see these veins, and I will just cut that leaves in a part to have more plans for future. So let's do that. So this is the first part. This is the second part, and this will be the third part of my begonia. I will just cut like this. So here I have 3 parts of leaves. So here I have 3 parts of one leaf, and now I will take a cup or plastic cup or pot for propagation. So I've already prepared a pot with a potting mix, and now I have to put my cuttings inside of this pot. And of course, I'll make a small greenhouse for them. Put them in a plastic bag. And this is it. Later, I will show you the results of propagation of this adorable dark green begonia.